To set up Zelle free service, start by checking if your bank or credit union offers Zelle. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their bank locator tool. If your bank is a participating member, you can proceed to the next step. If your bank does not offer Zelle, you can still use the Zelle app, which is available for download on both iOS and Android devices. Download and install the Zelle app. Then follow the in-app instructions to enroll. To enroll in Zelle through your bank, log into your bank's mobile app or website and look for the Zelle option. Click on it and follow the prompts to enroll. You will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and mobile phone number. Once you have enrolled, you will need to add a debit card to your Zelle account. This card will be used to send and receive money. Make sure the debit card is from a participating bank and is in good standing. After adding your debit card, you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle. To send money, simply enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, the amount you want to send, and a brief message. The recipient will receive a notification and the money will be deposited into their account, usually within minutes. To receive money, make sure your Zelle account is set up and linked to your debit card. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the money will be deposited into your account. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you know and trust, keeping your Zelle account information confidential, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps, you can easily set up Zelle free service and start sending and receiving money quickly and securely. Remember to always follow best practices to protect yourself and your money.